On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are back in the very echoey garage to do something this house has always needed. Build stairs. And Eric said you guys deserve a stair video. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, we are back on the dream garage build to do what seems like a very small job, but honestly makes one of the biggest differences. Now, the concrete is done, I think. I went ahead and drove on it, as you guys can see. The Volt is in the garage on the charger, which is awesome. It's so good to have that back inside, but the old stairs that went into the house were miserable, and they have been there since I bought the place. And this is the stair, right? So this is what, like a 2x12, 2x10 with a bunch of nails in it and then carpet over it. That was always there since I bought the house. And it's a big step. It's awkward, and obviously it looks pretty trashy as well. So I was excited to get this out of the garage and put it in the trash where it belongs. So Eric's over here. We are headed to Lowe's. What's our thought here?
Yeah, well, since we're not changing this door, because honestly it's fine.
Well, I want all glass too. Like, that door is temporary, but then I want that door to be glass, right?
Yeah. What I think we're gonna do is, you have 40 inches, so I think we're gonna build a 64-inch platform. So it's like a foot past here and a foot past here. So it's gonna come out like this, and then we'll slide that in and fix it to the house.
Yep.
And then we'll slide a top step on it, so it'll be nice and wide, so you can exit that way, that way, that way, that way, instead of just two little kind of nothing steps.
That way you can kind of, yeah, you can come on from any angle because it steps up.
Yeah, if like say you're washing your hands after working on something, you can just walk right in. You don't have to like go walking around or take funny steps or anything like that.
Well, let's go shopping. Are you gonna put that together?
I know.
Okay, all right.
It was just gonna fall off.
Yeah. All right, guys, we are back from Lowe's with our lumber order here. So we've got treated for everything on the base that's touching the ground, and then we've got some standard 2x6s for the top landing there, top step, and then a bunch of deck board to face this whole thing to try to make it look cool. And Eric is notching the back pieces here so they'll sit over that concrete ledge. I'm surprised you didn't just hit that with a chop saw. Oh, look at that. That looks nice. All right, we're ready to build the bottom landing. Super simple. So, should we do a center too? I think we have enough wood.
Yeah, it'll get more.
Okay. Nice. All right, time for some fascia board here. Oh, that actually came out. Look at that.
It might be okay.
And I brought the trim heads. Got to switch bits too. They're T20s on the old trims. I should have got like a cedar colored trim. But we got our screw products. Screws here. Can't beat those. All right. Clamped. Give them the clamps.
It's not gonna come out as good as we want.
Why?
We have to send it through the... Don't worry, I got to fix on camera to look right.
As you guys would expect, we ran out of decking immediately.
Bad math.
Bad math, that happens.
Can't do math on Sundays.
But we did decide to deck everything, and originally it wasn't all going to be decked and wrapped with fascia board, so now this step is looking legit. You know, it works perfectly. If you throw this bad boy in there, it squares it up on all three sides.
There you go. Is that what the patent is on these?
I've been using that to square up every single block.
Makes sense.
Yeah. Well, here's the update on the step. We're just about done, but like I said, we ran out of wood because we did not intend on decking and doing fascia on this whole thing. Honestly, I planned on building like a $30 step out of, what? $30 gets you like 5 2x6s, which is more than enough. But then we did treat it on the bottom since it's touching the concrete, and there is a chance it could get wet. And of course, all cedar deck boards, which do smell delicious. So I'll give them some credit. It might have been worth the money. The garage is gonna smell good. for a very long time. And we've got nice routed corners. We got some quarter round all the way around it and some hangover in the front there. And of course, we're gonna come back with 3 more of these deck boards, which makes this step over $200 for what was supposed to be a little bit of change. But it does look very nice. So we gotta cut that backboard, rip it, and then fascia and deck this front step as well. And these steps even meet code because, you know, Eric builds decks for a living half the time, so everything's up to code, which is very cool. And it's not enough of a rise to need a handrail. So with that said, Eric and I are jumping back in the truck, heading to Lowe's again, and we're gonna wrap this thing up, and it's one more thing checked off the box at the garage. Desperately needed a good step. And I'm gonna bring the old step in here to show you guys what we upgraded from. I will say the old one had so much good wood in it, I should have cut it down and ripped it and used it to build at least the back of that thing. I had enough wood there to do it. But with that said, that's very ghetto. It looks like an old doghouse that you build when you were a kid. And then that looks like a professional step. So I'm pumped. Give us a couple minutes and we'll be back to do the fascia board. And we're back from our second Lowe's run with another expensive piece of cedar, but we've got all of our fascia board now and enough 44 inches, like 3 44s to do the treads on the top. With that said, this is gonna go roughly like that. And this guy here goes like that. And Eric's cutting the top piece of fascia board right now that goes into the miter. And this step will be done. The tops just bolt on. Easy peasy. Ooh, guys, look at that. I think Eric's out here trying to build base shoe to try to make this transition look even better, but it looks like a cedar closet. This is so nice. All right, so there's our steps. They're awesome. They don't rock when you step on them now, which is the old one moved back and forth. You can feel it move underneath you. But I've got the old one out here so Eric can hit it with a sledgehammer and take out some aggression on it.
I don't have any aggression.
Oh man, I just put the table saw up.
Yeah, hold on. What? Did you unplug it?
Nope. Wiggle the cord.
Oh, it's all the way in.
Oh, yeah, that does look clean. Man. Don't even put a fastener. That's press fit. Give it a little tippy tappy.
Here you go.
A little tip, tip, tip. I like it.
Yeah, pretty close.
Man. All right, now you gotta break the old step. I honestly, I'm down to swing a sledgehammer this, but I bet it doesn't break. It's all 2x12. It could be the strongest thing ever built.
It's just spiders.
It is just spiders. Oh, you're cheating. I was like, hit it in the middle, break the boards. It'll fit in the trash can now. That was the mission.
Ready?
Oh, you're gonna break the boards?
No chance.
I was like, you hit that in the next dimension. It's the only way. Oh, the carpet was so gross too.
Yeah, well, the step was too tall. It
Yeah.
had a lot of things that were
Everything about it
not
was
right.
garbage. There you go. She's loose. I like it. What was the concrete guy swing from TikTok? Remember that?
You gotta.
It's the knee.
You have to throw the. Yeah, you load up with your leg.
I don't know how the knee thing works. You got to get a swirl.
No, he goes like this.
Hey, you split it. All right, let's put all this in the trash.
Butter eggs.
All right, guys, the first job of the day here is done. As you can see, the steps all finished up. Just finished putting everything away. Now Eric and I have to go pull Ethernet in at a business, so our day is just getting started. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. The Dream Garage build continues. That was just a big piece that needed done. And in the next one, well, I guess paint. Again, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. I should have put both motorcycles on one side. That's what needed to happen here. It's sick, dude. I love it. What an upgrade.
Yeah, that's good.